Alright, Grizzlies Prep, welcome back to our Marble Rally, and this is week 22 Marble Rally. We've got a pretty wild track out here today. I got plenty of competitors, so let's go ahead and let's see how this goes. I'm going to go ahead and start this race. Alright, we got a lot of bumps starting off, but we got some people like Mr. Brian here making his way through pretty easily, but looks like actually Amir has come out first, but is being chased by Mr. Blair, Mr. Chapman, and Mr. Williams right behind him. We've got a pretty close race. Amir has been keeping his lead though. We'll see if he can. Looks like, swam right through that. We got Mr. Turner coming in hot and Mr. Coney making his move. Alright. We've got actually Mr. Coney still in first place. Gonna try to get my camera back to him. There we go. And same, we got Coney, Davis, and Turner. We got Mason back there trying to make his move as well, but looks like we got a strong showing, and it might be Mr. Coney for the win. Oh no, we get stopped at the very end, and looks like we got Mr. Turner who beats out Mr. Davis by just a hair. That was a close one, guys. Congratulations to our winner, Mr. Turner. And you guys have a great week.